Hello and welcome, fellow foodizens. It is your girl TK, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a quick one. Something that I came across in my searching the interwebs, and it's basically a different way to make eggs in the morning or any time of day if you're an egg person. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So yes, that's boiling water, and we're going to cook the eggs in boiling water. So I've scrambled some eggs and I'm just going to drop it in the water. So there we have it there, and just going to let it sit and cook in the water. Interesting thing is, upon my search, I later discovered that essentially this is egg drop soup. That's not what I'm making today, but that's essentially what it is. But again, that's not what I'm making today. Today, I guess you can say it's more of a scrambled egg. I mean, I did pour, a couple of scrambled eggs into some boiling water. So what you want to do is scramble your eggs, obviously, and you want to make sure the water is boiling, like a rolling boil. Anything less, it will not work, and it will essentially be egg drop soup. But I saw in a video that this is kind of a healthier way to cook eggs, you know what I mean? Like, I guess scrambled eggs, if you don't want to use a lot of oil or anything like that, you just boil the water, pour the eggs in, and let it cook for however long, to your desired doneness, and then you take the eggs out. Now I will say this, I let it boil in the water because I like my eggs scrambled kind of hard. I'm not the hugest fan of eggs to begin with, so I kind of let them cook as long as they could in the water. And I took them out of the water, and let me tell you, they were wet. I mean, it's understandable. I obviously, I just took them out of a pot of boiling water. So the eggs were very wet. I did have to drain them to the best of my ability. And even after doing that, there was still water. So I had to take a paper towel and dab them as much as possible. And they were still moist. If that's how you like your eggs, then you should be fine. I did have a little trouble taking them out of the water. I was trying to make sure that, they kind of stayed together as much as possible. But, they were very soft eggs. So, again, not a huge fan of eggs, so I wanted to do a little something extra. So what I actually did was I added some cheese on top. I didn't know how. I don't think that there was any way possible to incorporate the cheese into the eggs in the water. I didn't even try that. I was not ready for those games today, so I didn't even do that. Maybe I'll save that for another day. Who knows? But I wanted to have some onions and peppers, so I sauteed some onions and peppers, seasoned them up a little bit, and then, like I said, sprinkled some cheese on top. And I don't know if you can tell, but like they were still kind of moist. I mean, I don't know why I seem surprised by this. I just, scooped some scrambled eggs out of boiling water. Like, what else am I supposed to expect? I think I was asking for too much this day, and But anyway, overall, the eggs were very soft. They were well cooked, but they were very soft. And I'm one of those people that's kind of funny about certain textures, so it did kind of throw me a little bit. So I'm not going to lie, I was glad that I had the onions and the peppers to kind of throw it off. But, man, give it a shot. Give it a shot. This is definitely something different, and who knows, maybe one day I'll try to actually make some egg drop soup, but today was not the day. So I just want to thank you for joining me. This was an experimental recipe. I hope that you will try it or at least, look into it. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.